Hi, my name is Cassie Wistrom, and I was born with the organized and tidy gene. I've had a few different jobs over the years, all the while searching for my passion. Right before joining Eliminate Chaos, I took a long, hard look at my skills and what I enjoyed most at the places I worked. The result? Organizing, creating efficient systems, and working with people to achieve their goals. You can imagine my excitement when I learned professional organizing could be a career. I applied immediately and haven't looked back. I have experience organizing all areas of the home. I've helped clients tackle their piles of paper and create a filing system to keep track of it all, which by the time I'm done isn't much. I've also organized digital files and taught clients how to use OneNote, LastPass, and other online programs. I've managed many relocations, alleviating a lot of the stress that comes with the move. I myself moved to Seattle over 10 years ago from Montana. Seattle is the perfect place for me. I can hike or cross-country ski during the day and make it back in time for a gourmet meal out before heading to the opera. There's nothing better than the smile and thank you I get as I'm leaving someone's house in a better state than when I arrived. Add to that the fact I just spent the day doing something I love, and I'd say I'm pretty lucky.
Cassie, tell me about one of your favorite client projects.
I'd have to say I helped a woman move into an assisted living facility, and it was very overwhelming for her, and there was a lot of downsizing that needed to be done, and the two of us worked together to figure out what was going to fit and what she was going to need to get rid of. And I managed the entire project for her, and so come moving day and the couple days following, she was able to relax, meet her new neighbors, and we just made her new place feel like home. And it felt good. And you know what? She moved again, called us right back.
That's right. And what a great feeling that is.
Yeah.
Great. So what unique skill sets do you bring to our clients at Eliminate Chaos?
As I mentioned before, I have a lot of technical skills, using a lot of the online organizational tools. You know, I'm familiar with that part of the job. I also, I'm always positive, upbeat. Clients tell me that's very encouraging, and I like to use sense of humor to kind of ease the stress out of what is usually a very stressful situation.
Yes, that's always something that I tell clients about you, is you have such a great sense of humor. So tell me about one fun thing that our clients should know about you.
Well, a few years ago, a couple other friends of mine and I started a winery in Woodinville.
Yeah, and
it's still going.
How about that? That's great. What kind of wine do you make?
We do reds and whites both. We're a boutique winery, so kind of small batch. We have a lot of interesting varietals that there's not a lot grown in Washington State, so people find that pretty interesting when they come taste with us.
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Thank you.